Hello dear colleagues, welcome to our tea club. Have you got your cup of tea? Let's talk about teaching a word stress today. How do you teach stress? How do you mark the stress? Or what techniques do you use to make your learners remember the word stress? I'm going to demonstrate a short teaching fragment in teaching stress. You can see, take notes, and we will discuss it afterwards. Hello children, how are you today? I hope you are doing great, and let's start our English class. Look at the picture. What's this? It's an alligator. Let's repeat the word alligator. Alligator. Where is the stress? Alligator. Let's clap the word alligator. All together. Alligator. Let's clap together. Alligator. Okay, where the stress, you make it high. Okay, now clap yourself. Good job. Let's write the word on the board. Can you spell it? Alligator. It's A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. Read the word alligator. Alligator. How many syllables are there? Alligator. 4 syllables. Which syllable is stressed? Yes, the third one. We have 4 syllables. Alligator. The third syllable is stressed. You have 4 syllables. Let's find the stress. Alligator. Alligator. Okay, show me your fingers and let's do it together. Alligator. Alligator. Good job. Now next picture. Look, what is this? No, it's not a rabbit. It's a chinchilla. Repeat the word chinchilla. Chinchilla. Let's clap the word chinchilla. Chinchilla. Okay, can you clap yourself? Good job. Let's write the word on the board. Can you spell it? C-H-I-N-C-H-I-L-L-A. Chinchilla. How many syllables are there? Chinchilla. 3 syllables. Where is the stress? Yes, it's on the second. Chinchilla. Chinchilla. The big circle is a stress. Let's clap the word together. Chinchilla. Chinchilla. Good job. Okay, look. What's this animal? Yes, it's rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Let's clap the word together. Rhinoceros. 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 Good job. Can you clap yourself? Great. Let's write the word on the board. How do you spell it? R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-U-S. Rhinoceros. How many syllables are there? Rhinoceros. 4 syllables. Where is the stress? Rhinoceros. On the second syllable. Let's clap the word together again. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Good job. Now we have 3 words. Alligator, chinchilla, Rhinoceros. Let's use the rubber band to show the stress. Alligator, alligator. Chinchilla, chinchilla. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Good job. Now let's bounce the words. Alligator, alligator, alligator. Chinchilla, chinchilla, chinchilla. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Good job. Now let's whisper the words. Alligator, alligator. Chinchilla, chinchilla. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Okay, children, that's all for today. Learn these words and make sure you pronounce them with correct stress. Bye-bye. Dear teachers, welcome back. As you have just seen, there were used several techniques to teach the word stress. I'm sure you use some of them in your classes. So why to teach stress? Yeah, it may cause some confusion, embarrassment, if the students pronounce the word incorrectly and with the wrong stress, isn't it? You may say that marking words is the most essential one in teaching the stress. And yes, that's what I was going to say. Don't forget when you write the new words on the board to mark the stress. That can be circles, squares, underlining, and for sure using one color for highlighting the stress and another color for writing the word itself, so that your learners could see clearly where the stress is. It means you use visually clear style, circles or squares. Be consistent, use the same color for highlighting the stress. It's also a good idea to make our advanced learners aware of stress in dictionaries. There won't be any circles or squares, they will be apostrophes. So how do you make learning word stress fun in your class? As for me, I am a visual learner. It's enough to see the word and remember it for me. But most young learners are kinesthetic ones. Well, physical movements are really fun to use when teaching stress, as you have seen in the demo lesson. They can make our class fun. Children will definitely love and enjoy the physical activities, as well as they will remember the words better. So you can use clapping and tapping. For example, word pronunciation. The stressed syllable you tap or you clap. For example, pronunciation, or you can do pronunciation. You can also use humming and whistling. I cannot whistle. And you can also use whispering and shouting method. For example, alligator, alligator. Like all areas of learning the language, there are rules and exceptions with word stress. You can help your students to encourage them to notice these patterns and make them aware of them. Certainly, using simple rules, you can make them identify the exceptions, increase their knowledge, and pronounce the new words correctly in their speech. For example, look at these two words. Sam is a rebel. He rebels. Where is the stress in a noun? Yes, it's on the first syllable. Rebel. Sam is a rebel. And where is the stress on the verb? Yes, it's on the second syllable. He rebels. Rebels. So what's this? It's a rule. You must know it. When there are words with two syllables and they have similar words in a noun and verb, in a noun it's on the first syllable and in the verb it's on the second syllable. Also, you can use rubber band method. For example, let's take a word alligator. Alligator. you can use rubber bands. I used it rubbers from old masks. So these ones, alligator. Or these ones, alligator. If you don't have a rubber, you can use a balloon, alligator. Or you can cut and make a rubber. Dear teachers, that's all for today. I hope you've taken some ideas and you will use them in your classes. I'm really sure you have some more ideas. Please share with them on our website of Lingua School. Thanks for joining me today and stay tuned for next tips in developing your teaching skills. Bye.